In today's video, I am going to teach you how to connect Voiceflow with Airtable. We will do this inside Zapier, using the App Connections area to connect both services. This is a useful setup because once both accounts are connected, you can build automated workflows that move data between Voiceflow and Airtable with much less effort. First, open Zapier and go to the App Connections page. This is where Zapier stores and manages the accounts you have linked. Once you are there, find Voiceflow in the list of apps and click on Voiceflow. You may see it appear more than once on the page depending on how Zapier is displaying the app list, but you are selecting the Voiceflow App Connection section. Next, click Add Connection. Zapier will prompt you to authorize Voiceflow, which typically requires an API key. To get that, switch over to your Voiceflow project settings and open the API section. Find the API key and click Copy. Treat this key like a password. Do not share it publicly, and only paste it into trusted authorization windows. Go back to Zapier and click into the input field for the Voiceflow connection, then paste the API key you copied. After the key is in place, click Add Connection to finish linking Voiceflow. If Zapier offers more than one confirmation button during the flow, continue clicking Add Connection until the connection is completed and you return to the connections list. Now you will connect Airtable the same way. Still in App Connections, locate Airtable and click on Airtable. Again, you may click into the Airtable section more than once as you navigate the list. Then click Add Connection. Follow the prompts to authorize your Airtable account. Once the authorization finishes, you should see a message indicating that a new connection to Airtable was added. With both services connected, move to the left side navigation and select Automated Workflows. This takes you into the area where you actually build Zaps. In the Workflow Builder, click into the App Search or Selection field and type to find what you want to automate. When you are ready, click Start Building to begin creating the workflow using your new Voiceflow and Airtable connections. And that covers everything you need to know.